This video demonstrates how to configure your app's basic settings using a single JSON file on the client or server side. Let's take a quick look at how it operates. Add this dependency in your PubYAML file. Set up provider in your main function. Make an env.dart file to access the environment setup map and obtain a locally or remotely accessible JSON configuration file. If the path includes HTTP, we get it from the URL and set it up in the object. If not, we set it from the local JSON configuration file found in the libconfig folder. In the provider, we obtain the environment, retrieve the config path, and build its object.